Hello everyone, this is my Aprilia SR50 and I bought this way back 2019, and actually I really fall in love with this bike because I use it, and also I use it for every day, Then after I got my car and I started to stock up this SR50, so I didn't use it for almost 6 months. And it's kind of challenging to restart again because I don't know where is the problem. Then I search it, and then I use the manuals as well, and then in the end I change most of the important parts like batteries, fuse, regulator, then oil also as well. And just to make sure we'll start, I clean up the engine also, and it works. It's good, and the last part is because I changed also the lights, and in Japan it's kind of like this kind of like moped or motorcycle. It's hard to send to any motor shop because they don't want to accept it because they don't have the spare parts. So, and also they don't know what's inside of this motorcycle or moped. And it's expensive here in Japan when you send this kind of like motorbike because they didn't know it. So it takes maybe around. I experienced it, like I sent for just like changing the lights. I spent like $200 or $250 just changing for the lights. I did it myself. So I tried to learn everything, and that's it. It works well.